Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a whole wizard is the next part, and next part is a complete here. Okay guys, open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is a 3D body is design is created here, and whole wizard is a next part is a discuss here. Okay, next last point is a discuss here. First three part is a discuss here. First is a counter bore slot, and this is a counter sink slot, and this is a slot. Okay, one by one discuss here. Okay, this is a counter bore slot, and all is a perfect standard ISO, and type is a helix bolt grade C ISO 4016, and all is a perfect. Size is M10, and all is a perfect. This is a blind. Okay, this is a blind is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is correct, and position is a select here, and this is a this. Okay, this position correct, and this is a correct. Right click and exit. Okay, all is a slot is discussed. This is a perfect. Okay, invalid point is a okay, this is a perfect, and M10 is more here, M6 is correct, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a edit feature, and some edit feature is a discuss here, and this is a change here anybody, this is a perfect, and also this is screw, and also okay, this is a okay, preview is showing here, this is a change. Okay, this is a M. Okay, at first the first is a M8 is perfect, also all is a correct, and this is a increase. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a okay, angle is, and this is a correct. Okay, and blind, this is a height is increase, and also correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next part is a this is a counter sink slot, all is perfect, size is a M8, and all is a perfect. Okay, position is a this, and this is a perfect, this is a correct. Right click and okay, click. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and edit feature is a this is a this, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, size is, and okay, this is a looking here. Okay, M10 is correct here. Okay, size is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and last point is discuss here. This point is a slot. Okay, slot is all is correct here, and ISO this is a dowel hole, and drill size is also okay, this is a perfect, size is increase, this is a correct. Okay, position, this position is a perfect. Okay, this and this. Okay, right click and select. Okay, this is a and click OK, and some edit. Okay, this is a edit. Edit is a size is in diameter is increase, 10 is also correct, and size is okay, this is a perfect, size is correct, and okay, this is a blind is okay. Okay, this is a, and drill size dowel hole is perfect, and also drill size okay, this is a tapered, and drill size is perfect. Okay, this is a dowel. Okay, this is a drill size perfect here, and okay, this is a okay, diameter is more than 16 is correct, and this is a perfect, and okay, correct. Okay, this is a looking nice here, and okay, one by one is discussed here. Okay, 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 all point is one by one is discussed here, and this is a looking very nice, and okay, this is isometric is drawing here, this is a perfect, body is a looking here, this is a perfect, okay. Okay guys, so nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Today this whole wizard point is all point is one by one is discussed here, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.